GBPUSD showed a better position for bulls than EURUSD, where the price remained stable above the 20-day moving average. Moreover, the weekly chart shows 2 consecutive bullish weekly candles appearing while the broader market direction is still bearish. This technical analysis represents the daily price of GBPUSD, trading within an ascending channel. In this chart, the 20-day MA is below the price, working as an immediate dynamic support level. On the indicator window, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is above the 50 level, where the current aim is to test the overbought 70 level. In that case, a minor bullish correction is expected before continuing the broader bearish trend. In the GBPUSD weekly price analysis, the buying possibility towards the 1.240 level is solid as long as it trades above the dynamic 20 EMA. On the other hand, the break below the channel support with a strong bearish daily candle could provide a sell signal where the main aim is to test the 1.176 swings low.